Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Luke. In this week's tutorial we're going to go over how to age some bricks and create a brick wall. The tutorial on screen at the moment can be found in a link below this video. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is get our brick, get a flat colour in there, and then we want to start adding depth to it. To add depth we simply add an highlight along two edges, like so, and a shadow along the opposite two edges. This gives us a nice highlight. Now what we want to do is give a sharper highlight as if there's some chips in the stone, and again with the darker shadow as well. Next you want to add some erosion to the brick. We do this by expanding the initial highlights and the initial shadow. You can expand these as much as you would like. I like to keep it very subtle and do it just a little bit. It's important that for every brick in your tile you keep them individual. You make sure that each brick is done differently. You want the same kind of erosion, but you want to add a crack here. You want the highlights in different places, the chips in different places, maybe indent one brick or extrude one brick. To learn how to indent and extrude, just check out the tutorial below. I suggest doing more than one tile, doing a variant, one with a crack, one without a crack, one with a brick indented, one without. Thank you for watching guys, and as always, here's a list of my patrons. I thank you all. I thank all my supporters, all my subscribers. I wish you all the best and have a good day.